All right, everybody, here we are. This is the start of the 2024 race season for me. I'm just actually here to pick up the car. It's been in storage for the last, over the winter, I guess. So we're here to pick it up. It's just at a friend's shop. He's not here, but I'm just here by myself. But I'm gonna set up the camera and let you guys kind of check out the car in the shop and see the process of loading her up. Over here at the shop. So as you can see, today isn't the best day for loading up a car that doesn't have windows. But today's the day we can do it. It's about the only day we can do it next little while. So that's what we're doing. This is an old horse barn, horse stables, cement floors that a buddy of mine rents out from a big oil company that's around here. And he's been gracious enough to let me borrow some space for the car. So here it is, undercover. I've come and checked on it a few times. Been a few mice, things like that in it. Isn't ideal, but it is what it is. It was on indoors all winter anyways, so that's the main thing. And here it is. Got a little bit of work we need to do before the race season starts. We got about a month till we are on the track. We've got a test and tune day here in a couple weeks. I don't know if we're gonna be ready in time, but we're gonna have to peel all the Nascar sponsor stickers off. We got some repairs to do. We need a side sticker there replaced, a little bit of paint. I got myself a new seat, so this one's going out the window. Not out the window, but just not gonna be using it anymore. I got a full containment seat, so that's gonna be nice. So we're gonna have to do some welding to the bar back there for the rear supports, new floor supports for the seat. Handles don't work here. 1 second. I might have closed that in the door. There we go. This is my door opener. Oh shit. One more time. Pull it open. There we go. Gotten a couple crunches last season, so that doesn't open too well. But, another thing we're doing is where this hole lines up here, and over here, we're gonna put a quick release pin so the door is pinned shut like that, and I don't have to actually, I used to wrap the chain around it. That's what I was doing before, and it was a pain. There's this chain, we just had to wrap it around the pillar. Sorry, can't see anything but that chain, gotta wrap it around the pillar. And it'd clunk and bang and stuff the whole time, so I said enough with that. And we're gonna pin it like that, and hopefully it'll keep her shut nice. Another thing, I was gonna build kind of a firewall back here, but I think that might have to wait till either later in the season or next year. Just haven't had enough time. Hey, remember those are there, because I'll forget. Tires back here, gotta throw the negative post on, battery. Come on. There we go. And I forgot the keys in the truck. Keys! And here we are back at the car, and it is stone dead. Of course. I don't think the doors my truck will fit in. Now that it's dead, it will not release my key. So, I have another battery in my truck. Thinking maybe it'll give us enough juice to get it started at least. Hopefully. All right, I'll go get the other battery. All right, got the battery, some booster cables to the car. I hooked it up off camera, but there was some clicks, so that's promising. Let's see what happens here. Oh, there we go, got power. Yeah. There we are. She's running. Alright, we're in the car. Just gonna get her loaded. Tiny little doors on this place. This is why he doesn't use it. Its doors are too small, and you can't fit anything. You can't fit any equipment. Even my my 3/4 ton won't fit in there. So it's a good thing we got the car started with that battery, because I would not have been able to get my truck in there to boost it. So we would have to go charge that battery back up, come back another day. And it's a little bit out of my way to get here, so good thing we got her started. So we're gonna jump back out. I gotta throw the ramps out, and we're on our way. So what we can do is hope we're lined up nice. Success! Good morning. You might be thinking, hey Cody, the car looks a little different. And that's not still on a trailer. And the weather's a little different from last time we saw you 30 seconds ago. Well, all those things are true. The reason for that is I did about probably 11 hours of work on the car, and unloaded it and everything, obviously. Did quite a few hours of work on the car. Videoed it all. Can't find it. I put it on my computer and it went missing. So I don't know what to tell you. I guess we're just going to restart video in here. I'll run you through what we did to the car. Well, me, I guess. It's just been me alone, so it takes a little bit longer to do anything. But I'll show you what we did, give you a run through, and then hopefully this doesn't delete like the rest of it did. So what we did was I cut the doors down a little bit, and I got the seat installed. This is the new containment seat that I've gotten. Excuse all the mess in the back and in the car. It's a disaster. But yeah, I got a new containment seat just because the last seat that I had was a drag seat, and it didn't hold me in the seat very easy, and I was fighting the whole race usually to keep in the seat. So I figured I'd splurge this year. We got a new safety sponsor, so went with a full containment seat. Got to put the window net in still, obviously, but cut down the doors a little bit. Just because I'm a big dude. I'm 6'3", 280 pounds. So me getting in through a window is not very easy. So I've struggled the last couple of years with it. But this year I decided to cut it down a little. So all we did was, like, obviously you can see this right here is 3 inches down from where factory is, and I just cut the inside out, and actually all 3 layers that are there. I didn't realize there's 3 layers. It struggled hard, but anyways, cut that back on the inside, and then just folded the outside skin over. And then I'll open the door up here. You'll see it's tacked in there. I'm obviously not the best welder. Haven't done much body welding, but we got it all kind of tacked in there. So I'm going to grind it down today a little bit. Hopefully we can clean it up a little. And then I got templates for the caps here, just so there's no sharp edges or nothing. And then we'll yeah, grind that down, hopefully make it a little bit nicer, and then paint. And then I got new decals coming. These ones are a little cracked and starting to get a little worn. So also this peeled the paint where it folded over, and this decal's a little messed up. So we're gonna peel those off probably. I don't know if we'll do it today or maybe tomorrow, but peel those off, get new decals on. Got new seat mounts made for my my old seat. I just used the stock sliders, but I didn't feel like that was necessary for this one, so I just put it in a comfortable spot and built some mounts. And then so now all we're missing, these aren't attached actually, I just threw them there, but now all we're missing is the attachment here. Where's the camera? Right there. That attachment there, and just kind of make it a little more solid. It's got a little flex in it right now, so yeah, that's what we're doing. This way with these new mounts that I made, it's a little shorter than the stock sliders, so I got a lot more headroom actually, so which is good. Makes me feel a little more safe, because before I was kind of cranking my neck. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be working on today. We're going to grind this down, fix a few of the welds. Got a new welder a little bit back, and I haven't used it much, so setting it up is a little weird, and I couldn't find the chart for it, so I was just trying to go by feel, and didn't go very well, but I found the chart today, so hopefully any welding we do is going to actually be half decent. And yeah, so follow along, enjoy. Okay, an update. Sorry, you can probably hear the wind, it's a little picked up a little bit, but I finished the doors. I think they look pretty good. My welds aren't great, so I didn't bother showing you me welding and stuff. I'm more of a grinder than a welder, so yeah, I capped the ends off there so there's no sharp edges, and now it should be nice and easy to get in and out of. Next up is the seatbelt mounts. I think we're gonna do. Just got a big chunk of 3x2 steel like square tube. So we're gonna, I don't know how far down we're gonna go, but I'm gonna cut some pieces. I'll do one here, one here. It's about an inch, I think it's 1.5 inches wide maybe actually. So hopefully that'll work out fine. Alright, so we got the seatbelt mounts done, but it turns out with this new seat, the seat belts are a little bit too long. So the mounts I didn't do quite long enough, so I just wrapped around the bar there. That'd be just as safe as anything else being wrapped around the bar there, so that's no issue. It's actually been a little while since I last videoed. I know I've been jumping around quite a bit, but we're actually loaded up, ready to go. Today is race day, so I had a lot of stuff to get done and not a lot of time, so I just wasn't able to do any filming. Sorry if you guys can hear some wind, it's a little bit breezy out again. So we got that done, got the window net in. Have to put it up for travel anyways, so I'll show you. Sorry. There we go. Window net is in, seats in, everything, we're pretty much good to go. So decals are on. So this is what the car is looking like. What we got to do is just throw on our contingency sponsor decals there, and then we'll be good to roll. So next thing you'll see, I think, will be us at the track. See you there. Hello guys. As I'm editing this video, I was thinking it's getting a little bit long. I think we're closer. We're up at the 15, 16-minute mark. That'll be including this video here that we're doing. So I think that's long enough. I don't feel like my videos are interesting enough to warrant going any longer than that. So we're gonna cut it here. So it would have been probably almost an hour long with the race footage. So we're gonna cut it and throw the race footage in a separate video, just kind of on its own. So this one will be more of a part 1 / getting ready video, and then we'll do the actual racing in video number 2 that we'll release probably, hopefully, during the week here. I don't really have a schedule. I just kind of do it when I can. So yeah, we're gonna just finish buttoning this one up. We'll throw it up, and then hopefully the other one I can get edited here. The race footage takes a lot longer to edit because kind of have some graphics that go on it. If I go as full out as I did the first one, the first video that's on the page took quite a while to edit just because I have all the graphics and stuff, and that was it took a long time to make the graphics too. So that'll save some time, but I guess we'll see how long it takes, and if it goes too long, maybe I'll cut out some of the graphics or something. But so thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss next week's video coming up, and so you can catch the action. Peace.